Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring the case and both earbuds are charged. Low battery interrupts pairing. Once charged, power the earbuds and press and hold the power/touch control until the LED flashes blue and red, which signals pairing mode. Now position your phone close to the earbuds and turn on Bluetooth in settings, because proximity and a fresh pairing window speed discovery. Make sure other nearby Bluetooth devices are off to avoid confusion. This reduces interference and prevents accidental connections. Once the earbuds are in pairing mode, open Bluetooth on your phone and scan. You should see WF-SP700N appear. Tap to connect, and if your phone asks for a PIN, enter 0000 to complete the handshake. This is a standard fallback. After the initial connection, install and open the Sony Headphones Connect app to finalize setup. It lets you manage noise control, sound presets, and firmware updates. Make sure to allow any permission requests so the app can detect and configure the earbuds properly. You finish by playing audio and checking left/right balance, mic access, and touch controls to confirm everything works. Listen for stability in calls and music. Then use the Sony app to install firmware updates and fine-tune noise canceling or ambient sound, because firmware often fixes bugs and improves connectivity. If something goes wrong, immediately forget the device in Bluetooth settings, perform a factory reset on the earbuds, restart your phone, and then re-enter pairing mode. That sequence clears most pairing faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.